Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to text girls on Tinder. First, always personalize your opening message by mentioning something specific from her profile. This shows you actually read it and aren't just sending a generic line. Then, ask an open-ended question to invite a real conversation, not just a yes or no answer. Keep your initial message brief, ideally under 20 words, to make it easy to read and respond to. Once you've got her attention, focus on building rapport. Inject some humor and lighthearted banter into your messages. Laughter is a great connector. Don't be afraid to share a brief, relevant anecdote about yourself that relates to your conversation. This helps her get to know you better. Actively look for common interests to discuss, which naturally deepens the connection and keeps the chat flowing. When the conversation feels right, it's time to transition towards meeting in person. Suggest a low-pressure, casual first date idea, like grabbing coffee or a quick drink. Be specific with your proposal, offering a particular time and place. This makes it easier for her to say yes. Clearly confirm her availability and interest, ensuring you're both on the same page for the next step. Finally, let's cover some common texting mistakes to avoid. Steer clear of generic pickup lines. They often come across as insincere and rarely lead to a good conversation. Never send multiple messages without receiving a reply. This can seem desperate. Most importantly, refrain from using overly sexual or aggressive language, as it's a major turn-off and disrespectful. Keep it classy and genuine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.